Today we're taking a look at an EHX by Maxx-D, which is their I-beam equipment trailer. This one right here is a 20-foot long, 83 inches between the fenders. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you guys think about these trailers right here. So coming from the front, we got the adjustable easy latch coupler right there. The I-beam frame, which this is going to be a 8-inch, 10-pound per foot I-beam frame right there with a nice big size toolbox here in the front, basically on latch. And we got some big shocks right underneath here that hold this thing open, so you can throw in whatever you want. You can even throw a spare in there. It has a ton of room in that toolbox. You can even put stuff on top of the toolbox, since this is made out of 10-gauge plate, and so you don't have to worry about that bending very easily. We got the spare mount on these. Love the design on that. And then we got stay pockets, rub rail, and chain spools on this trailer right here. That is an upgrade that Maxx-D started doing on these I-beam trailers here about 3 months ago, roughly. And then we got cross members. So I-beam cross members at every 16 inches. Going all the way down, we have two 7K Dexter axles underneath these. That slipper spring suspension. And then we have 14-ply tires on this trailer right there. So load range G, 14-ply. Now we upgraded this one, so this is a 20-foot long. We upgraded this one to have Mini-Maxx ramps here in the back. They are spring-loaded both ways, so spring assist both ways. And this is what it looks like when they're down. And then we can also, with that flat right there, put it on that pig right there, and you can have them stand-up ramps. So if you have something on a dovetail that prevents you from folding these ramps down all the way, it's perfect for that. And then whenever it's down, these are great for, that way you don't have a bunch of noise here in the back when you're going down dirt roads and such. This flat also helps hold it down. Just an extra safety feature right there. Another favorite feature of mine on these EHXs has to be these fenders right here. We got a 3/16 plate on these, so they're made in-house. They look really good, and also are less likely to bend whenever you're driving up here with skid steers, Mini X, stuff like that. They're just much tougher than what your typical fenders are going to be on most trailers. They are made out of practically the same thing as what the drive-over fenders are made out of. Now, the GVWR on this trailer right here is a 15,400 and a payload of 11,650. Now the question that most of you are gonna have is, what's the price on something like this? This one right here, the way it's set up here at Regal Trailer Sales in Wills Point, Texas, is gonna be priced at $8,100 per unit. Now we also have the ones with the stand-up ramps in the back that are same length, same width and everything, and they're priced at right at $7,500 a piece. So with the ramps, with the Mini-Maxx ramps in the back, adds about $600 per unit. So if you're looking for a trailer like that, give us a call at 430-340-0307, and we'll get you taken care of.
If this trailer fits what you need, check out the description below for the spec sheet and pricing, as well as a link to our website for availability. If you are also comparing options, check out the videos on the corner of your screen on similar models. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you'll be notified on any new videos that we post.